Alright, just a short video on my quick disconnect sway bar links. First of all, have your machine setting on a level spot. Same goes whenever you are disconnecting and reconnecting. Make sure that the spot you're at is as level as possible. You may have to pull up or push down a little bit to get some slack if you're out on the trail trying to disconnect. But you can usually raise up on the machine a little bit or push down on the machine a little bit to take any tension off of the links if you're out on the trail. On a smooth surface, should be pretty simple. So first of all, remove your factory sway bar links. Do away with those. The kit will come with two links similar to this and two ball studs. You remove the riv nut in your rear firewall plastic, drill that out to 3/8, install that ball stud with washers on either side. Go ahead and install the QD link with the fixed portion of the link attached to the sway bar, the removable portion and ball stud to the trailing arm. I recommend to leave this loose so you can swivel it back and to connect up here to the storage portion on the firewall. It's not going to come loose. You're not going to lose it because it is captured. Then you can swivel it that few degrees to reconnect to the ball stud below whenever you disconnect. That's kind of hard to do with one hand, but you can do it. So there you have it. The removable portion goes on the trailing arm, so then you can remove it and put it in the storage position up on the firewall. Both sides will be the same.